World Bodybuilding and Physics Federation WPF ki meeting makhada Indonesian Bodybuilding Fitness Federation sinduna thasi gi hokiba tang taruk tagi taramatoi fauba Indonesia gi Batam Island da pangthokiba yangkhai taruk suba Asian Bodybuilding and Physics Championship Englishing ani kun marida Manipur dagi Mr. World gi title nipan lak tarkraba Arambam Boby na Presidential Gold Order Award Piduna Ikai Khumnakhre WPF na malam gi ahan boy na India gi pikliba state Manipur dagi sanaroi Arambam Boby na Lemjaningai Oiraba award asi WPF ki president Datuk Paul Chuana thasigi mapanda khusinarkhibani ngasi langthabal kunjada leiba mahaki yumda paumi singo unabagi thoramda Arambam Boby na hai bodybuilding masana sida lisang sitna honarakpadagi mahi bu sakhangladuna asigum laba presidential gold Order Award asi malim gi oina WPF na ihan hana khusinarakhibani malim gi oina mioi kanana su fangbangam dribe award asibu khusinarakiba si hainingai leitana thamoida nungai ba poi Manipur asi bodybuilding masana gi lamda India gi oina dominate tauba yaraba masana mani tungi horakliba sanaroi singna masana sida yamna discipline laina international gi thak fawba phajana sanaba yaraba khoina pokpadagi pithok saraklaba yamna fajaraba masana ama oiri haiduna su lainga ki maikai dagi piba yaba mateng sing piragadi hena Manipur gi bodybuilder masana sida awang ba thakta pokatpa ngamgani haiki
Indonesia gi Batam haiba island da pangthokpa 56 Asian Bodybuilding Championship sida lauraga the world gi WBPF World Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Federation gi president sina engon yam special invite ama ai gi ba invite ama tawbirakna agent wana kauraga anta ina phangare man pibi reiba si pitribi da khoi gi world gi federation sin I am the one ai katani han go na pirisi gold order presidential award haina si award se phangakhi bani yam nungai keno haibadi Pitribida world gi bagano da kana bu thangjiba award maina han boina maina honor to birakna high awards ma birakna.
He is a very disciplined athlete, very much appreciated and respected by the bodybuilding community throughout the whole world. Everybody knows him, none other than Abraham Boby Singh of India. He deserves it. Give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. This man we are also giving him the diploma or certificate of coaching from the World Federation. He is the first recipient of India or in Asia and the world to receive this coaching certificate. Boby, we are proud of you.